How to make money online for free 11 best ways in 2022. You have seen it all before. Promises to make money online for free. Except they are never actually free. They are always a catch somewhere or an investment you need to make upfront. And it makes sense according to the US Census Bureau that country is on track to shatter its record for the number of new business applications in a year by nearly 50%. Every day more people want to know how they can make money online for free. They want to break out of their boring, exhausting or otherwise unideal jobs and become their own boss from the comfort and of their own homes. And they want to do it without spending the precious resources they have now. Today we are going to show you how to do just that. We are look at 11 of the best ways to make money online in 2022. No catch and no cash needed from you to get up and running. Don't wait for someone else to do it. Hire yourself and start calling the shots. How to make money online without paying anything. Number 1. Become a virtual assistant. If you have a knack of organizing and planning, becoming a virtual assistant is a great way to make extra cash online. A virtual assistant job involves doing various tasks like managing social media pages, replying to emails, and taking calls on behalf of a business. With the number of solopreneurs increasing, virtual assistants are seeing a sharp increase in demand for their services. You can get started by applying to jobs on Upwork, Indeed, or virtual assistant jobs. Virtual assistant makes around $19.36 per hour on average according to Indeed.com. Some virtual assistants have also found success by building their own personal brand and promoting it to entrepreneurs and startups. You can follow suit by creating a Facebook business page and sprucing it up with content promoting your service. It's free to create one and you can share it anywhere on the web. Do research online. Are you good at using Google to find specific information? If so, there are plenty of opportunities for you to make money online for free. Many companies in different industries hire web researchers to find the most relevant and dependable source of info for them. Then they share that info with their clients to help make informed business decisions. You can apply to work on their tasks. All you need is a computer and internet access. Here are some companies that regularly look for online researchers. Number 1. Wonder hire the virtual researchers to find quality answers to the questions posed by its clients. Tasks may involve gathering statistics, explaining market trends, or determining competitive landscapes. Then EQS has industry experts who can research and answer the questions relevant to their particular industries. If you have extensive knowledge of an industry, you can apply to join 10 EQS's team of experts for an opportunity to work on live research projects. You can also apply to the internet research jobs on Upwork and Indeed. Number 3. Transcribe audio and video files. Tough artificial intelligence is emerging as a tool to help with speech-to-text transcription. It's far from perfect. Therefore, many companies rely on transcriptionists to turn audio from video and speech files into accurate text. You can look in a part-time role with a company like Rev or work freelance with multiple firms on specific projects. Most companies let you choose which assignments you work on and set your own schedule. The best part is you don't need to invest anything upfront. Simply use the speakers that come built into your computer to transcribe. To succeed as a transcriber, you will want to strengthen your typing skill. Your work needs to be error-free and easy for clients to comprehend. Start practicing by transcribing short audio files so you are ready to apply for jobs with transcription companies. Number 4. Set up a Patreon. Patreon is a membership platform that helps artists and the creators get paid. Out of this platform, fans can subscribe to projects by paying a subscription. If you regularly create videos, podcasts, or music and have a following, you can join Patreon to let your most passionate fans support your work via monthly membership. To be successful on Patreon, you will need to offer your followers something intriguing to earn their support. This could mean involving them in your creative process or offering exclusive content created specifically for these. Check out these ideas for rewards you can offer your fans on the platform. It's completely free to sign up with Patreon. The company only receives a small percentage once you start earning. Review website and apps. Number 5. Another way to make money online for free is to review websites for cash. Some companies offer payment and free products to leave testimonials on their sites. Other businesses pay people to examine the quality and performance of their website. When reviewing website, you will usually examine the site's functionality and how fast it loads. The amount you earn will be dependent on the marketplace you work with and the testing methods you use. In most instances, you will earn more if you are willing to do one-on-one testing sessions with clients over video conferencing. Here are some companies you can join. Number 1. User testing for app, website and user experience testing. Number 2. Try my UI for impression and survey-based testing. Number 3. TestBuds for digital product store and mobile app testing. None of these companies require you to pay a sign-up free fee, so you can start reviewing websites and making money without any investment.
Number 6. Join an affiliate program. Do you think you have the marketing chops to promote things effectively? Join an affiliate program and earn commission by promoting products, service, or brands on different platforms. Once you are accepted, you will receive an affiliate link to share with others. When someone buys the product or service after clicking your link, you will receive a commission along with credit for the referral. The commission payout depends on the affiliate program and the products being promoted. Basic item on the amazing marketplace won't pay out much, but promoting digital service like web hosting may earn you hundreds of or even thousands of dollars. Contrary to popular belief, affiliate marketing does not rely on blog promotions to generate revenue for a marketer. You can use your social media accounts like Instagram and Facebook to promote business and earn money. Number 7. Launch a YouTube channel. Ever thought of becoming a YouTube? Nowadays, you can film unboxing videos, products, tutorial and funny skits with nothing by your smartphone. And it does not cost anything to set up your YouTube channel by assigning into YouTube using your Google account. You can create a new channel with your name or a custom name. As a YouTube channel owner, you will have several opportunities to make money. Once you have reached 100,000 subscribers, you can start earning by running ads on your channel. You can also partner with brands on sponsored content, sell merchandise, or become an affiliate to monetize your YouTube channel. The key to a successful YouTube channel is to focus on one niche. You could offer beauty tutorial, review tech product, or do a daily roundup of cryptocurrency prices, whatever you think will bring more views. Number 8. Participate in focus groups. Do you enjoy sharing your insight and opinions with people? Take part in paid market research studies and make $50 per hour or even more. Focus groups are normally used to determine people's attitude towards specific products, branding, or ideas. Participants may also be asked about their opinion on competing products or businesses. Focus groups can be conducted in person or online, but generally are free to join and pay participant handsomely. Some of the places you can look for focus groups include: number 1, user interview; number 2, respondent; number 3, L&E research; number 4, 2020 panel; number 5, take part in research. Usually there will be moderator in the group to guide decision, take notes, and record the session. If you join an online focus group, you should be able to participate in the decision via video software on your smartphone, tablet, or computer. Number 9. Become an online travel agent. Do you know where to find the best flight deals and vacation packages? Consider working from home as a virtual travel agent. Travel agents get paid to help people plan vacations and personal travel. As a logistic connecting flights, accommodation, sightseeing, tours, etc. can be overwhelming. Many individuals rely on travel agents to make their trips easier. You don't need any special certification to become an online travel agent. What you need are research and organization skills to plan a smooth trip for your clients in the budget dimension. For the assignment, you can partner with different companies to get discounts to offer your clients.
Number 10. Sell photos online. If you regularly take photos or have lots of images on your hard drive, you can sell them to stock agencies to earn some money. You will receive a commission every time someone downloads one of your photographs, either a fixed amount or a percentage as determined by the stock image site. Best website to sell your photos online. Number 1, Burst. Number 2, Shutterstock. Number 3, Alamy. Number 4, iStock. If you build a nice collection around a particular theme, you can earn a good amount of money from it. And the best part is every image you upload can be sold again and again. Tough some websites might require you to make the photos exclusive to their platform. Number 11, offer social media consultancy. Now, how to get followers on Instagram, TikTok, or Pinterest? Put your skills up for sale by promoting yourself as a social media consultant. Brand will contact you to brainstorm creative ideas, produce videos, and more. It's great money making opportunity for individual with social media skills as you can use your exciting profile as your portfolio. Market your portfolio in digital marketing groups and forums, and don't forget to include a link in the outreach email you send to agencies. Need inspiration? Check out Lucas O'Keefe's story. His journey started with a viral TikTok video that turned into a full-on consulting business, helping brands gain a following on social media. Summary: How to make money for free in 2022. As we welcome 2022, the opportunities to earn money online without investment are only becoming more abundant. You could work as an affiliate, start a YouTube channel, offer social media consultancy, or sell your photo online. It just takes a little effort and time to see dividends from your work. In summary, here are all the best ways to make money online for free. Number one, become a virtual assistant. Number two, the research online. Number three, transcribe audio and video files. Number four, set up a pattern. Number five, review websites and apps. Number six, join an affiliate program. Number seven, launch a YouTube channel. Number eight, participate in focus groups. Number nine, become an online travel agent. Number 10, sell photos online. Number 11, offer social media consultancy. Which money making idea are you going to try first? Let us know in the comment section below.